Welcome back to the channel. Today we got the Blackstone heating up. We're going to be doing some salmon with a little pea and herb salad type deal to go alongside of it. It's a great summer meal. It's going to be refreshing. It's going to be good. We got a nice glaze we're going to show you how to do. Put over top of the salmon. So stick around while I get ready. See you back here in a few minutes. So first thing we're going to do, get these shallots down. We're going to get them simmering in some chicken stock and a little bit of butter. Next, we're going to get a separate pot going. To that, we're going to add about half a cup of balsamic vinegar. We're going to add a couple tablespoons of some honey. We were lucky enough to harvest this from our bees out back. We're going to give that a good stirring. Okay, let this reduce down a little bit. Stir them shallots. Now we're going to add a nice honking spoonful of minced garlic to this glaze. Here we have some ginger juice. You can find this in your supermarket sometimes. If not, I'll leave a link in the description down below. Just going to add a real good flavor to this glaze. Just got about a teaspoon there. Now we're going to come in with that orange and apricot marmalade. Got about a third to a half of a jar. Get that down in there, and then we're going to give that a good stirrings. We're just going to let that simmer for a while. Making a glaze like this, it's real easy to do, and it's going to go great with the salmon. So now I just have a lemon. We're going to give a little spritzing to these shallots. I'll tell you what, we're going to add a little bit of honey to them also. Then we're just going to let that glaze and these shallots simmer for a while. We have a little bit of oil. Come down with the salmon, we just have salt and pepper on it. I hit the other side a little bit of salt and pepper. Watch out for that wind. Turn the burners down to low. See our glaze, it's simmering along pretty good. We're gonna let it reduce a little more. Shallots are coming down. We're gonna add the peas to them soon. We're coming with these frozen peas. Them a good stirrings. Pepper a little more. Just keep moving everything around. We don't want anything to burn, especially that glaze. So then peas are done. After a couple more minutes, we're gonna pull that salmon off too. We're just gonna let them rest while we make this salad. See that salt and pepper? That's all you need on this. Got that nice little crust. This bowl, we're gonna add a little red wine vinegar. oil. Gonna juice a half of one lemon first. Some honey. Give that a mix. Some salt. A little pepper. Give it a taste. Then we're going to do, we're going to come down to the bottom of this pea salad. And this is the salad element here. Just have some parsley, some cilantro, and basil. The basil really is going to go good here, but use whatever you have in the fridge. Right on top. Now we're going to take our little honey lemon vinaigrette. We don't want too much on there. Going to hit it a little bit. We're going to hit it with a couple fresh tomatoes from the garden. Now we're going to hit it with this glaze that we made. I'll tell you what, I think we got some sesame seeds in there. We're going to garnish it with a couple sesame seeds too. There's only one thing left to do, and that's taste test. So see you out there for the taste test. So here we are. Let's talk about what we did. We simmered down them shallots, some chicken stock, a little bit of butter. And we threw the peas in there. We made that fresh vinaigrette to go on top of that herb salad. That was just, like I said, parsley, cilantro, and basil. We had some fresh tomatoes from the garden, so we threw them in there. That salmon, nothing but salt and pepper. Put it down on the griddle for a couple minutes per side. That glaze, another real simple balsamic vinegar, honey. We added that ginger juice, a little bit of garlic, and that orange marmalade. See, the salmon's cooked perfect. Okay, with the richness of the salmon, the sweetness from that glaze, I know the salad's gonna go great with it. Some peas, shallots. The lemon and the vinegar. Definitely need that. I'll tell you what, it's a great, refreshing summer meal right here. As always, thanks for watching. Please consider subscribing if you like these videos.